For pushing the ball this way, this gentleman here, this X, will be coming across the crease, and he will be the one slide. The midi up top on the same side as the slide, the one side will be the two. So he'll come and replace. This guy rotates over the top.
Everybody knows what a 1 and a 2 slide is,
One
right?
slide.
What's a 2 slide?
This backup slide.
The recovery, yes.
Yeah.
Any questions about that so far?
So coma, so let's see. Let's Cameron, give me what a coma is.
So it's like if you're on the crease and there's a guy that's like behind it and he's coming around, the guy on the opposite side slides over and the midi comes down for the 2 slide.
Okay. Can someone say that in simpler terms?
The cross crease slide.
What's the guy on ball, what's his responsibility?
Drive it in.
What is it?
And where?
Where's
Don't give us top
No,
side.
she's here.
Don't never give up top side in this defense.
Gonna go.
If it helps, think about it like you're on a train tracks, so you follow him in, the slide's just gonna come straight downhill, he has nowhere to go. It's easy. You're gonna line him up, you're gonna turn the ball over, go back to playing offense. That is the cone slide in a nutshell. It works the same way on the other side. This guy will just be the slide if the ball is coming this way.
So what's the weakness of a coma slide?
You're leaving.
What's the hard code?
You're leaving backside open
One at a time, one at a time. What?
for. You're leaving backside open just for a couple seconds, and that can mean the difference between a goal and
Well, not if the 2 slides quick,
Yes.
right? But yeah, a potential problem is that when you leave that spot, it's a
You
weak
could,
spot.
like the guy that he leaves could just follow the slide and be
So
okay.
if there's coach, yeah, they'll follow the slide. What are you gonna say?
That's all.
I think, and Coach, correct me if I'm wrong, a big issue is it's a pretty long slide.
Yeah.
So you gotta be aggressive when you're sliding, and you gotta go hard, right? If you half step and hesitate, that's where we're gonna get into an issue.
He's exactly correct. A good reference point when you're sliding is if I'm playing defense on coach, coach turns his back to roll. As soon as you see his back, that's when you slide. No indecision, you know. If he goes the other way, you're just in a good position to recover. You're fine. As soon as you see him turn his back, you have to go with full head of steam. If you're gonna hesitate, don't go at all, because then the two's gonna go, and then he's gonna hesitate, and they're gonna catch us out of all sorts of ways. Does that make sense?
So one key to lacrosse overall, and to most things in life, but especially defense, is communication. Goalies, pay attention, have to be communicating. You're the field general, right? So you got to be echoing where guys are, and at any point tell me if you will. Okay. So you've got to be calling who's my 1, right? Who's hot, who's my 2, and the guy has to be communicating. I'm your 2, I'm your 2, I'm hot. Okay, so you guys have to talk a lot on the field. Okay, if you don't, the coma slide will get into trouble. Deepol's got it. That's mostly, Jack, you may play some deepol, so you should know this.
Middies. This is most, the poles generally are good about sliding, knowing when they're the 1 or the 2. When it gets confusing is when the balls come, say they're in a 2-2-2, offense will be circles. Say they're in a 2-2-2 and they're running
Coach,
a little cat.
hold it up.
Okay. Run a little cat and mouse behind, moving the ball back and forth. We have to know who the 2 slide is at all times. So at any point, if you're on the ball side or opposite the ball side, you're going to be the 2. Does that make sense? You just, like Coach said, you have to communicate with that pole down below so you know. Your goalie will help you out since he can see most everything you can. But yes, middies, you must be the 2 slide, because if you don't go, this backside guy is just going to fill space and he's going to hit a little top. Any questions about the cone slide?
Okay, I'm going to keep refocusing you guys, and I know it's early. Here's the issue. We don't have a lot of practices to gel as a unit. We don't have time to re-go over this stuff. So you guys got to get this philosophically today so that we can work on it. So if you don't know this stuff, make sure, Jason, you should be right up here, buddy. I mean, I don't know how you're seeing that board. You can know this stuff. But if you plan to get on the field, and you don't know this stuff, guess what you're not going to get anywhere?
Playing time.
Playtime. And I imagine all you guys want PT, right?
Sure.
So know this stuff because that's how we're going to decide who goes on the field, right?